Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your monthly reading for the month of June. Your cards are already out. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you would like to know more about the personal readings, ritual or counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. So let's see how the June month looks for you. In the first week, you've got the Alchemist and the Lady card. Now remember, this is a general reading. It will cover very general energies about your business, love, whatever. Okay. I do weekly readings as well, where you will have more in-depth knowledge of your love and career specifically. Well, in the first week, I do see that you are an adventurous person. You wanted to go around, live your life, travel a lot. Probably if you're already married or in a relationship, I do see that now you want to be closer to home, closer to your family, kids, spouse, right? And if you're single, now you're ready to get mingled, which means you also want to settle down. You also want somebody who is there when you get back home, who wants to ask you how you're feeling, how your day was. And somewhere I do feel that you have that person in your mind. Like you know that this person fits the criteria of my husband or wife, right? Like they're nurturing, they're caring, they're loving, they're also good looking. I do see that you have someone on your mind and probably you want to start a life with them. So your perspective I do see is changing. Your adventurous nature is now changing to a homely person, so things will accordingly start falling into place. Once that thought comes into your mind, then only you can see the next step. So I do see that your life will start flowing in a very different way this month. The second week you've got the 8 of moons and the 8 of suns. 8 is very relevant to you, so it could be that something is going to happen in the next 8 days, 8 weeks, or 8 months for you. It can also mean that it's happening on the 8th day of the month. I also see that 8 number can be important for you, or you're seeing a lot of 8 angel numbers as well. So take what fits for you. If not, do Google the meaning of 8 because it has come into your reading, so it does have some spiritual message, some angel message for you. I do see that you're very scared about a particular outcome. If it's a relationship that you want to start, I do see that you're very scared of that. Like, I don't know how it's going to be. I don't know how this person is going to be. I don't know how my life is going to be. Like, if this is a job that you want to start, or if this is a new business or university that you're starting, you have that fear that I don't know if this is going to work or not, right? And it's called the fear of unknown. Like, you're stepping into a new territory. So of course, these, you know, fear here and there are pretty much okay. But don't you worry, because you've got a very, very good card. It's a card of celebration. See, it's a card which tells me that the person or the new opportunity that you're coming your way is going to appreciate you for who you are, your efforts. You're also going to be rewarded. Good luck is by your side. So you're going to celebrate new beginnings. I do see new beginnings happening for you, whether in love or career. That's totally up to you. That will be more clear to you in your personal life, that which field are you actually starting new life in. It can be both for some of you as well. This person will appreciate you, this person will reward you, reciprocate your efforts if it wasn't done in the past, and similarly with your new job or business, it will be rewarding. It will be giving you the kind of money that you want or success that you want, right? Good luck is by your side, so if you want to start something new, jump right in, because you're going to get very positive results. The second half of June, you've got the astrologer and the empress. I do see that could be, you could be a very spiritual person, or you could believe a lot in, spirituality, astrology, numerology. I do see that you will want to match your kundlis. I also see that the person that you are with are very much in their empress energy, which means you will have to really work hard to get them. Empress energy doesn't mean that it's a female. Empress energy means that somebody with very high standards. So it can be a male or female that you're thinking about, right? So they are in a no bullshit zone. So if you're coming with a half-ass energy, they will sense it, they will reject you. So if they have a certain criteria that they have that you need to meet as their partner, then you will have to meet that criteria. So remember that you will have to make the efforts to woo them. Then it's not going to be easy. So make sure that you are putting in their work, and also you match what they want, whether that's the looks, whether that's the money, whether that's the background, whether that's loyalty, honesty, integrity, right? Any of those standards, if they have, you'll have to meet them. In the last week of June, you've got the Two of Spades and the Fortitude. Sorry if you're getting any background noise. I'm so sorry for that. There were a lot of blockages in your life in the past. Those are all clearing away now. Okay, whether that was your love, there were interference from the family or friends, or things just did not work out for you. Maybe they got very close to, a marriage or relationship, but never worked out. In your work also, some of you could have met with a lot of blockages and hurdles in your growth. It was maybe not very smooth, but your life is moving onwards and upwards. I do see that you might have to show a lot of courage and strength in your life, right? And then you will see that how your life changes. It will start moving forward with force. If you come out of that negative thinking, if you take that risk, if you take that leap of faith, whether that's in your work life or your personal life, you're going to see that a lot of power, authority, a position comes to you. I also see that you will be put in a position of commanding force. People will believe in you, listen to you, obey your commands, respect you. Even in your relationships, you will find a person who will respect you, who will love you for who you are. Like you will have a lot of power. I do see you in a very good light and position where you're being respected, loved, and people want to be with you. So yes, please take that first step. You want to start that business, that job, you want to just show some courage. You'll have to show some courage. If you're going to be like, oh no, I don't know what to do, then these things that I'm talking about are never going to come into your life, right? So if that means you have to work hard to get a person, work hard to get a person, right? If that means that you have to show some courage to switch jobs or career or field altogether or move to another city, right? Anything that means for you, please make that change. Then you will see that overall good things starts happening to you. If I see the overall energy for June Cancers, I see it's brilliant. I do not see any major problems. Yes, you will be stressing about certain things here and there. Yes, you're also carrying some of the past baggages of what happened in your past job or in your previous business partnerships, or your love life. But all that is irrelevant. What is coming to you is far, far, far better than what's gone. Okay? So keep that in mind. A good month for you, I would say. And if you still have any questions and if you want to clarify something, specific questions regarding any area of your life, love, health, career, money, business, you can always book a personal reading with me. If you resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and comment and let me know what situation you're going through. I'll be reading the comments, liking and also responding to most of you or all of you. And yes, I do have a lot of packages available for people who are single, in a relationship or in love, or career, and I'll also give you remedies if there are any blockages, if the marriage is not happening, if you're not getting the promotion, there's no growth, there will be a free remedy in these packages as well. I've also launched a love reading. I already had an oracle love reading for people in no contact. Now I've launched a mystic love reading to see where your connection is, even if you're in love, but you really want to know where this connection is going, what is the connection between the two of you, if they are really ready or if they are behaving in a certain way. Why is that happening? Everything will be revealed to you. Other than that, I also take spiritual counseling sessions. So if you think you need therapy, you need guidance, I will be doing that as well. You can share your burdens with me, share your secrets with me. It's top secret. I do have audio video call sessions on Instagram, Zoom, and Google Meet. Other than that, I also do some very powerful rituals or give you some very powerful and simple rituals without any ingredients involved. You can book that also. My minimum price starts at 170 rupees. For love reading, it's 260 rupees. For blockage removal ritual from any area of your life, it's 251 rupees, or 111 for manifestation ritual. Very easy, very powerful rituals and very budget prices. I also have different prices available, so if you want to go for higher services like an audio video call sessions, of course you will have different prices. So choose what budget you want to choose. It's up to you. I have various services and various prices available so that it's not a burden on your pocket. Okay, and to book any kind of reading, you can email me, or any kind of session, just email me at astha842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle also, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because just like this, I post all these details on a daily basis over there. You will find the services in my description box and bio sure, but the prices or the rituals or when is the right time to do, etc., over there on a daily basis. Some of the posts are also pinned. So if you want to know direct prices from my channel, just go there and follow me. Okay, so this was the reading of for the month of June. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.